Hi, I'm Charles Preston, and this is a lab demo for the Emanations Lab. The demo in this case is to be able to transmit data from the display of one laptop to an optical input, a webcam, on another laptop. Let me describe the physical setup first. There are two laptops, each running Linux. They're facing each other. So when I turn on the webcam on one laptop, it will see this display on this laptop. There are different ways to get a message by optical means, that is, no wireless LAN, no Ethernet LAN, just air between the two laptops. We could print out human readable text on this display, read it over here with the webcam, run it through optical character recognition, and have a file with the message. Instead, what I'm going to do at this point is use something called QR code that you're probably all familiar with. That is a way of encoding alphanumeric or numeric characters in a barcode, a square. And if we display that barcode on the screen of one laptop, the webcam should be able to pick it up on the other laptop, and the software will decode it, retrieve the message that we encode in it. The first task is to encode a message in the barcode using an application called QR Encode. This says output to a file of this name, which is a PNG file. Use the highest level of error correction. Make each pixel of the barcode equal to 10 blocks. That helps govern the size. And store this message, or encode this message, alphanumeric text message, inside the barcode. QR code can store over 4,000 alphanumeric characters and use 4 different levels of error correction. So that's a more than just a simple URL like people often encode in QR code blocks. And if I look at that, I see a sample9 QR PNG here. If I start an application that can display a PNG file, which could be a web browser, and I can pick sample9 QR PNG, it displays what we just encoded. Coming down now to the second laptop with the webcam, I want to run the webcam app that can decode QR codes. See if we can successfully transfer the message to this laptop. If it works, you'll see ZBarCam recognize the QR code, decode it, and on this terminal display it will print out what it decodes from the QR code. When it recognizes that there's a likely QR code, you'll see a red line surrounding the block. If it successfully recognizes and decodes it, that will change to a green line around the QR code. That didn't take very long. So on this screen, and it's continuing to scan for any QR codes that might be presented to it, but on this screen, you see that it's displaying the QR code, can store over, and so forth. So we've successfully transmitted that message from the display of laptop 1 to laptop 2. Now, of course, webcams don't have very high resolution, and we have no optical help like telescopes, long lenses, that could help decode this particular code from a much further distance from the laptop display. But we have managed to transfer the data using optical means to another computer. That's the end of this demo. Thank you.